All right, guys. I don't know if you're still there, but I kind of lost connection. So hopefully you guys are still here with me. Looks like a few of you dropped off. Sorry about that. But as I stated, guys, that's what we have going on in this country right now. Country is on lockdown pretty much, especially on Capitol Hill, as they attack Capitol Hill and attempt to, go after our people in Congress there. Hey, Rebecca. Hey, Janet. Thank you guys for still sticking around. But I don't want to hold you too long. Looks like we're almost to 15 minutes, but I just wanted to come to you live. I'm going to try to do another live video this afternoon, evening time, since I'm still learning this whole process. Appreciate you guys supporting me. Maxine, who's attacking them? There's Trump supporters that are attacking Capitol Hill. Pretty much all of them have the Trump flags in their hands, so that's how I know they're Trump supporters. Hey, Cynthia. So that's what's going on. Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate the nice comments that you guys are putting out. Thank you very much. Let's see. So hopefully we can get these stimulus checks, guys, close to the end of the month. We'll wait for the Senate runoff to be certified, and we'll go from there. But as far as right now, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'll try to come to you a little bit later with some updated news. Hey, Maxine. Hey, Nefreda. Hey, Kathleen. So what they upset about? Grow up. Oh man, I mean, hey, their leader did not win in the regular presidential election, and their leader did not win in the Senate runoff election in Georgia. I'm doing okay, Angela. Thank you. So that's why they're upset, and a lot of people are upset. I understand being upset, but when you go and try to attack someone because things didn't go your way, that's a different story. That's a different story. That's just not how we're supposed to act, But these type of rallies that's been going on has been inciting the violence, pushing people that we will not accept this type of tolerance. We will get them. We will attack them. That type of stuff has been pushed to the supporters. So, Lee, you said it's President Trump trying to burn down the country. I don't know with his actions. I've always stated Trump is a boss. That's just how he acts. So he acts like a boss, a mob boss, and and that's what a lot of people like him for that particular reason. But this is just not the type of action that we want to have in this country. So. But hey, guys, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Go ahead and hit the like button for me. I would appreciate it. I'm going to try to get back to you a little bit later. Hey, Laura. Hey, Queen G. Hey, Nefreda. Appreciate you jumping in, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short while we can. I need to get back to my job. So, yes, I still work a full-time job. Hey, Cynthia. So, hey, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget, like I said, I appreciate all your support. And let's hope we can get peace down in Washington, and we can see how this evening turns out. All right. Yes, this is live, Queen G. This is all going on right now on every news station. The attack on Capitol Hill. Bunch of Trump supporters on the stairs, as well as inside. They've broken glass and broke through. So you had a lot of them inside the building, which causes great risk. So this is definitely, they need to call in the military. Hey, Liz. Yeah, they call in the military like they did on Black Lives Matter. I agree. This is definitely not peaceful protesting. They were peaceful at first, but now they've rushed into Capitol Hill. So this is what it is, guys. I just saw someone said that the Dems cheated. Hey, I understand your stance, but the problem is for the people that think that the Dems have cheated, there's no evidence been provided. They said that there's been evidence, but no one has seen it. The Republican people have said that they haven't seen it. The Republican lawmakers, Supreme Court, all of them Republican, they've stated the same thing. Even the Republican governors in several states have said the same thing. This election was secure. They might have a couple of one-offs, 5 fraudulent, but that's not enough to overturn the election. So I'm not saying that you guys are not right. I'm just saying that there's no evidence have been shown. So we have to go by that until the evidence can be shown. It's the same thing as if the Dems were stating the Trump people, was a rigged election.